Hi, I'm Tim from Your 6Ds. On this video today, I'm going to show you how to get Terrarium TV on your Amazon Firestick device. Let's go ahead and do that now. The first thing we're going to need to do is go over to Settings and scroll down to Devices. Once we're at Devices, you are going to go to Developer Options and go to App from Unknown Sources and turn that on. The next thing we are going to do is get the downloader from the Amazon store. So let's go ahead and search for that right now. I press the home button, I'm going to the search option right here, and I'm going to try out the voice controls. Downloader. And here's the downloader right here. Let's go ahead and click on that and install it. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and it's added to my queue. Got it. It's installing. Okay, let's go ahead and open the downloader right now. So once we have this page open, we are going to want to go to the URL here and type in this address. Once we type in the address, we're going to have a download option that pops up here. Go ahead and let that download. I'm going to scroll down to the end of the page here and select Install. Alright, once this pops up, do not hit Open. Go ahead and just press Done. And then it's going to bring up this page. Don't press Install. Go ahead and go to Delete and press Delete. And that will delete it off your Firestick. It's already installed. The next thing we need is the mxplayer on Firestick. So let's go ahead and download that now. So go ahead and type in this address. And then hit Go. So it's going to go ahead and download this file. Once we get to this page, go ahead and click Next and install. So we're going to want to go ahead and hit Done again and delete it from our Amazon Firestick. It's already installed, so hit Delete again. And there we go. Terrarium should be on our Amazon Firestick. Let's go ahead and hold the home button down and move that application up to our front. So I'm going to hit the Options button and move to front. So let's go ahead and click on Terrarium TV now. Here's all the changes that haven't been made. You can go ahead and read through this. I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK. Then we're going to want to select mxplayer from here. That's what we just downloaded, and this will allow us to watch the videos on here. So you can go ahead and read through this if you want. I already did. So for example of how it works, let's go ahead and just click on arrow. And it will prompt you some information on how to view everything on here if it's your first time. So let's go ahead and click on the latest season here. Oh gosh. I went to C also. Let's go ahead and go to season. You can go ahead and get the latest season first by clicking this little arrow up here. And it's going to prompt us for just a little info of how to use it. As you guys saw, this takes about 5 minutes to get it up and running on your Amazon Firestick device. This is, however, not available on Roku unless you get it on your Android phone and Chromecast it or cast it over to your device. And this works very well on my Amazon Firestick TV. I like it and I use it quite often. If I have problems buffering with one of the links, I'll switch to additional links. There usually is about a dozen links per episode. I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day watch my video on how to get Terrarium TV on your Amazon device. Once again, thank you for watching. Possibly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out these additional videos.